Are you looking for that one meal to satisfy that hunger in you? That one meal to satisfy the whole family and your adorable young ones? That one meal that can even satisfy your refrigerator and work as great leftovers? Well, in today's how-to, the answer comes in the form of Russian fluff. This is a recipe made during the Great Depression that families made to fill their stomachs. To make Russian fluff, you'll need the following ingredients: cup and a half of rice, 3 cups of water, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of peas, 2 cans of Campbell's tomato soup. You can use different ingredients with the same measurements preferred. The first step in making Russian fluff is to cook the 1 pound of ground beef in a pan for about 10 minutes. Next, add the 2 cups of peas with the ground beef and stir them together. Then add the 2 cans of tomato soup with the ground beef and peas and mix them all up. Cook the sauce on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Set the sauce aside until the rice is done. Speaking of rice, the next step is to pour the cup and a half of rice into a pot along with the 3 cups of water. After you stir it in, bring the mixture to a boil. Turn the heat to low and place the cover on the pot and let it sit for about 10 minutes. For the final step, pour the pan with the sauce into the pot with the rice and mix it together until it's all mixed up. Pour into a bowl, serve to the entire family, and enjoy. As mentioned before, this serves as a great leftover meal. Just put it in the container, put it in the fridge, pull out and microwave it for about 2 minutes for your next meal. We hope you enjoy this how-to on Russian fluff. Join us next time for the next episode.